Welcome back to the 28-day challenge, Tai Chi and Qigong for seniors and beginners. Today we're going to be doing the heel kick. So we're going to shift our weight, open the door, open, commencement, lifting water, inhale up, exhale down. We left off with a tap, shifting our weight, tapping, T stance. Inhale, exhale, into golden rooster stance on one leg. This same movement, or very similar to it, is the same as chambering for a kick. One difference is we're going to be kicking to the 45 degrees. And the arm, as we gather, the arm on the outside is going to match the kicking leg. So it comes up and open the fan, kick out with the heel. So this can be like a nice stretch. And it is a nice stretch. Inhale, exhale, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, exhale. The hand goes out with the leg, maybe slightly after. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale up, exhale out. And you can hold. And the height that you kick doesn't matter. We're practicing balance. Breathing in, breathing out, and standing on one leg and holding it at any level is great. So find your comfort zone. For higher, you're going to have to lift the knee up higher. Thank you so much for joining me.